Did you know that the warm, comforting spice that makes your kitchen smell like a cozy winter morning is more than just a flavoring for your coffee or dessert? That's right. Cinnamon has a long history of being a superstar in the world of herbs, with countless health benefits hidden inside its tiny aromatic sticks. But what exactly is cinnamon, and why has it stood the test of time in both the kitchen and the pharmacy? Let's dive in and uncover the secrets of this ancient spice. Cinnamon is a spice derived from the inner bark of trees in the Cinnamomum genus. Most commonly, we encounter two types: Ceylon cinnamon, often referred to as true cinnamon, and Cassia cinnamon, which is the more common variety found in stores. The distinct aroma, sweet and spicy, is what makes cinnamon one of the most popular and loved spices across the world. Cinnamon has been cherished for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians used it not only in cooking, but as part of their embalming rituals. It was considered a symbol of wealth and luxury, so rare that only royalty and the elite could afford it. The spice quickly became a highly sought-after commodity, with trading routes connecting Europe, Asia and Africa. Its medicinal properties were well known even back then, with records showing its use in traditional medicine in India, China and Greece. So what's inside these precious sticks that make them so special? Cinnamon is packed with essential oils, with the main active compound being cinnamaldehyde, responsible for its distinctive flavor and aroma. It also contains antioxidants, fiber, and a range of minerals such as calcium, iron, and magnesium, which contribute to its impressive health profile. But it's not just the taste that makes cinnamon remarkable. Its health benefits are equally amazing. For centuries, cinnamon has been used in various forms of traditional medicine. In recent years, scientific research has started to confirm many of its supposed benefits. Blood sugar control. One of the most talked about benefits of cinnamon is its ability to help manage blood sugar levels, particularly for people with type 2 diabetes. Studies suggest that cinnamon may improve insulin sensitivity, helping the body regulate glucose more efficiently. This is one of the reasons why cinnamon has gained popularity as a natural remedy for controlling blood sugar. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant power. Cinnamon contains powerful antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases. Regular consumption of cinnamon has also been linked to improved heart health by reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Boosts brain function. Research has shown that the scent of cinnamon alone can improve cognitive function, enhancing memory and focus. This makes it a great spice to add to your diet when you need a mental boost. Antibacterial and antifungal cinnamon has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's been used in folk medicine for treating colds, sore throats, and even digestive issues. Cinnamon isn't just for sweet dishes. Its versatility makes it a must-have in both the kitchen and your health routine. You can use it to enhance savory dishes like stews or curries, add it to smoothies for a warm, spicy kick, or sprinkle it over your morning oatmeal for added flavor. And, of course, cinnamon is perfect for making herbal tea. But what about when you want to use it as a remedy? Cinnamon oil can be applied topically to soothe sore muscles or improve circulation. You can even mix it into a natural mouthwash for its antibacterial benefits. Making cinnamon tea is easy, and it's a great way to enjoy all the health benefits of this wonderful spice. Here's how to make it. 1. Take 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks or 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and add them to a pot of water. 2. Boil the water for about 10 minutes to extract the full flavor and benefits of the cinnamon. 3. Strain and pour into a mug. If you prefer, you can add a touch of honey or lemon to enhance the taste. 4. Enjoy. The warmth of the tea, along with the health benefits, will help you relax, and you'll be sipping on a drink that's as good for your body as it is for your soul. Cinnamon is truly one of nature's gifts, offering not just a comforting flavor, but also powerful health benefits. From its ancient history to its modern-day uses, cinnamon is more than just a spice. It's a staple for those who appreciate the connection between nature, wellness, and good taste. So next time you sprinkle cinnamon in your dish or brew a cup of cinnamon tea, remember, you're not just adding flavor, you're adding centuries of tradition and powerful health benefits to your day. Stay curious Stay healthy and keep exploring the world of herbs, one spice at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more herbal insights.